How long have you been with this company?
Wow.
Wow.
Like over a year.
Oh, cool.
It gets a little noisy.
That's okay. Yeah, I live in Nevada.
What part of Nevada?
I have family. I'm from here. I was born and raised in LA.
Oh, is that right?
Yeah. I used to watch the garbage trucks when I was young and I never grew out of it. So I just one day bought a camera and started taking videos.
Alright. We kind of run the route a little fast.
Felt like crazy.
Oh, we're always in a hurry.
I understand that. Yeah, I normally film Republic in Las Vegas, Laughlin and Henderson.
Yeah, well, Republic and Waste Management are the bigger companies.
Yeah.
Those are like the worldwide.
Yeah. Mind if I open the window?
So go ahead. Yeah. There's AC up here too if you want to point it to.
Oh, okay.
Oh, yeah, this side.
This side? Gotcha.
They're cool, but there's all kinds of stuff that's going on with the city right now. Like a lot of people throwing trash in the recycle bin.
Yeah, we have that problem in where I live too. That's all over the place.
Well, what happens is normally they stamp it whenever we line us. So all the recycle that we have, if it has too much trash, they just push it over to the dirt, to the trash.
Yeah, they dump it.
So basically, we're doing all this for nothing. We're separating it for nothing.
Yeah.
And the city's really on us about that. So the thing is, Republic used to have this.
Yeah.
And they never even recycled.
They never tagged them, or they didn't do recycle.
Yeah, they never did recycle. And that's why they were getting in trouble.
Oh, okay.
And then now, like, I know that was recycled. You could hear it. You could feel the bin when they're heavy.
Yeah.
So if it's too heavy, I get up and I check it.
Yeah.
That way, because plastic and cardboard is not going to be over 200 pounds.
Yeah.
In that little container.
And where I live, it's the same way. People put electronics, rugs, yard waste.
Electronics will pull them out.
Yeah.
But once it gets to food,
yeah.
Yard waste, since the food is nasty.
Yeah.
And the liquid it has.
Yeah.
Then that's when they don't want to touch it.
Yeah.
But
so when this stuff is good, where do you normally take it? Where does this go?
Oh, we take it Downey.
Downey.
And they have the recycle there, and they sort it out.
Oh, so you guys don't have your own factory where you sort this out?
No, we take it to sanitation. Once I'm too close, I have to get off. But
yeah.
Because they don't know what was going to happen.
I've seen you guys out in downtown LA commercial. I've seen your dumpsters.
Oh, the 40 yards.
Yeah.
Yeah. Our company does a lot of 40 yards. That's what this company would does a commercial bins like 3-yarders, but mainly their bread and butter would be out of commercial 40-yarder.
Oh, okay.
Like construction and all that. They're real. They have a lot of accounts.
Wow. Anyways, I guess I won't speak too much. I don't want to distract you either.
Ah, that's good.
That's good.
I just came down the street. I would have started out 52, but I just came down the street because of you. So that's why we're, bumping into each other.
Yeah.
Yeah. So we do a lot. We have a big area to cover.
Wow.
But it's just that I don't know if you've seen Maywood. What they throw, because Republic, what they used to do was get a truck with a bin, and they used to go down the trucks. And they used to do all the big stuff, right?
Yeah, all the bulk.
The city, the bulking.
Yeah.
So the city got used to it, but with this contract, they're supposed to call. And let us know for an appointment when we're going to pick it up. And the city, they just don't get it. And so what we're doing, we're having trucks come out
Where I live,
come out and just pick up everything that the people are throwing out.
Yeah.
But sometimes it's like cardboard boxes, something that they could break up themselves and put it in the recycle bin.
Yeah.
This is a common. They buy a, say, 50-inch TV, and yeah, they got a new TV, but their box would be on the ground.
Oh, okay.
And it's something simple that they could break down, and it's nothing bulky about it.
A lot of people do that where I live too. That's everywhere. You'll see that everywhere.
Yeah, but
that's what I learned.
Yeah. That wasn't how I was brought up, you know?
Yeah.
Shit. If it fits in the trash, or we could break it down, we're breaking it down. And we're like all that cardboard.
Yeah.
Just, you know, that's key right there. And then all this that doesn't fit, they just don't care and they just leave it on the grass.
Yeah.
My parents would get at me, hey, go break this down and throw it away, you know what I mean?
Yes.
Now do it. And as an adult, I have a big box, I'm gonna break it down.
Yeah.
Don't matter. I work in a trash company, it don't matter.
Yeah.
You know what I mean? I'm not Asian.
Oh, okay.
And they just push it to the side.
Oh, okay.
But it's like we rather take our chances with the recycle.
Yeah. There's more money in that, right?
No, it's not even money.
It's not money?
We don't get no money out of it.
Oh.
If anything, they give us credit for the trash.
Oh, okay.
So say average, you could say 4.5 tons that fit in the truck.
Yeah.
Of recycle. And once they stamp it, they credit us back that money.
Oh, okay. So
it'll be like $250.
Okay, so when you go to dump it, they charge you less to dump the trash then?
No. They when we dump the recycle, they credit us back the money.
Oh, so they give it to you back.
So we empty it out, we dump it for free.
Oh, cool. I thought you guys took this to your own facility and you got paid for this stuff.
Nah.
No? Oh, okay.
It is too much. Like by the time you get your sorters and then when you separate everything, then when you have to transport it, it's not really much money that you're gonna make out of it.
Yeah.
But the state requires it.
Yeah, the state does.
That's why sanitation does it.
Yeah.
So that's the only reason they do it.
Scrap metal, rugs.
A lot of people put clothes.
Yeah, clothes. Yeah.
And it's that's like or wood.
Yeah, wood too.
Those are the main ones.
Yeah.
Wood and clothing.
Yes.
Any type of fabric.
Yes.
And it's like, if you guys really care, why don't you guys donate it in a box?
Yeah.
Like for the homeless or...
And plastic bags, that's another big thing that the companies have a problem with.
No, I think they sort the plastic.
Oh, they sort the plastic, oh, okay.
You know, because all that plastic goes down.
Oh, okay.
They burn it and they could use it for whatever.
Oh.
Plastic bag is an issue when it goes to the landfill.
Yeah.
But if it's sorting, if it's recycled, no. So landfills or in the ocean.
Yeah.
I close my hopper lid. And then when the hopper lid, it pushes the trash down a little bit.
Oh, okay.
But that's the only way I could see. But once I'll start making a mess.
Yeah.
And then that's when I know. But I could run maybe 3 hours, maybe.
Oh, cool.
Until I get back out.
Yeah. Do you do recycle all day, or do you do trash and then recycle?
I've already done 2 loads of trash.
Oh, okay. So there's no like assigned vehicle then? You just do
No, well, it's 3 guys that work in this area. We were working from Slauson to Fruitland. And from Atlantic to Maywood.
Oh, okay.
So there's 3 of us that work this section.
Yeah.
So we work together. So we communicate throughout the day.
Oh, okay.
Like the other 2 guys are finishing the trash now.
Oh, okay.
And so that's why I jumped into doing
the recycle. Oh, okay. But you guys normally start doing trash in the morning, like all 3 of you guys?
Always trash.
Because it's the heaviest.
Yeah. In case something happens throughout the day, somebody breaks down, or anything like that, you know, trash is the main thing, you know?
Yeah. That's more important than anything else.
Yeah, so that's why we get that cleared up.
Yeah.
Get it out of the way. That's why I told this guy to continue doing trash. I told him, hey, you never know. The other guy could break down.
Yeah.
And just finish hopping up doing trash. If it breaks down, then you
Okay.
You know, you never know.
Yeah, that's true.
It's like these trucks, they're actually working machines, and you know, anything working will mess up, especially working for so many hours.
Yeah.
Yeah, so we don't, you know, we don't have nothing against nobody.
Yeah.
No company. Like, why?
Yeah.
Why should we, you know?
Yeah.
Against anybody who lives there, we don't have nothing against anybody, you know?
Yeah.
We're just trying to do our job and, be here next week and do it again.
Yeah.
But
yeah, LA does this thing every year. It's called the Discover Recycling Open Houses. They open up their yards every summer, six times in the summer, and they let people go in and just like learn about the recycling process, and they like take trucks out to like for people to go in them. Yeah.
They don't want styrofoam.
Yeah, they educate you on everything.
Yeah, but the thing is this, look.
Yeah.
I'll tell you one thing. I went to a field trip with my son. Maybe when he was in first grade, second grade, right? And we went to a recycling facility in Santa Monica. And the guy there, the director or whoever was giving the little tour, was telling the kids not to throw styrofoam in there.
Yeah.
And then he explained why. And the reason he explained was because it costs more to recycle it than what they get in return.
Yeah.
But it's like, who cares? You should be doing it for the city, for the
environment.
Exactly.
The planet.
So that's what I was thinking about the other day. I went to that field trip a long time ago with my son.
Yeah.
And it never clicked.
Yeah.
Until, you know, recent. And I'm like, wait a second, like, why was he saying that? Like, you know? Yeah, so, everything's about money. Everything in this world evolves around money. You know?
Yeah.
Not to say, but, you know, that's how it is.
Yeah.
Evil, goodness, everything evolves around money.
Yeah.
A lot of people say, money ain't nothing. Money's not happiness, but you need it.
Yeah.
If you have less money, it's even worse.
Yeah.
So that's what I think, you know?
Yeah. Yeah, and I've been going to those open houses for like, I think the past 3 years, since 2015. And
is that right?
Yeah, they turn on like a couple trucks, maybe 4 of them, and they let people go inside and like mess with the controls, you know, operate them.
I was messing with the driver with my with one of the owners. Because he says that people rent their roll-off for birthdays.
Yeah.
They call them and they want to rent their roll-off for birthdays.
Yeah.
And I started making fun of it. I said, hey, well, I said, now you could rent the side loaders.
Yeah.
I said, we could throw one of the little kids in the trash can. We could put them up and down. You know?
Yeah.
Ducking around, and he was like, no.
Yeah.
Yeah, I was just joking with them.
Yeah. Yeah.
You know what would happen then?
Yeah.
They'll call child service.
Liability, too much liability.
Yeah, so.
Suing and lawsuits and all that.
Oh, child services will be there. You're either the one suing or getting sued. Man.
Yeah.
It sucks if you're the one getting sued.
Yeah.